Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel guys, and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share the video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great and a very natural way to remove dark spots on your face and have that even skin tone. Okay, now however the dark spot is, if it has been there for so long or if it's just coming up, okay, be rest assured that you are on the right video, because this is going to help you so much to get rid of all of those dark spots. And I'm going to be telling you while I apply this on my face. Okay, so keep on watching and watch till the end, okay, so that you could actually see all of the full details in which I'm going to be using to remove this dark spot. Okay, so the very first ingredients we're going to be needing for this dark spot treatment is honey. Now you have to use organic honey for this to work really fast and really effective. Okay, so because honey is a great skin moisturizing agent, it works so much to removing dark spots and blemishes, and as well as pigmentations on the skin. Okay, so do not worry guys, because your dark spots is going to be going as you actually try this particular ingredient. So the very next ingredient is this, and this is vitamin C. So you can actually get vitamin C in your drugstore or where they sell medicine. Okay, so vitamin C is a great ingredient. Now it contains a whole lot of vitamins that helps your skin pop out, and it also helps your skin smoothing out. So I'm actually going to be crushing this vitamin C, so we're not going to be wasting no time. So however you want to crush your vitamin C, go ahead guys. This is actually my own way of doing that. Okay, so I'm just pounding it because it's actually very small. It's not something I can blend. Okay, so after pounding it, now we're going to be transferring that into a bowl. And then we'll mix the vitamin C plus the lemon together. Wow, this is how it looks like. Okay, so the very next ingredient, which is going to be very ideal and also very important for this, is baking soda. Okay, so if you're actually experiencing dark spots, man, you make baking soda your friend, because it's going to actually help so very much in removing your dark spot. Okay, because it is a great exfoliating agent that actually helps to keep your skin hydrated, and it also helps to scrub out dead skin cells. It makes your skin super duper soft, and it also helps to remove wrinkles on the skin. So I'm actually going to be putting, just like you've seen me done, I've already put in 2 tablespoons of my baking soda into this, and then I am giving it a stir, and this is actually looking really good already. Okay guys, so this is well, this is it. So we want to actually liquidify this a little, okay, because it's actually too thick. Okay, now what we're going to be needing to do that is potato. Now potato is a great ingredient that actually helps so very much when it comes to removal of dark spots. Okay, so this 4 ingredients that I've actually shown you here are actually the bomb for dark spots. So don't even take it for granted, guys, because it's going to remove all of your dark spots. Yeah, potato contains an ingredient that lightens up the skin. So if you're actually used to putting potato into your ingredients, it is ideal, guys. So I'm actually gonna be creating it, and so I would have actually blended it, but I just prefer to create it today so I can actually get the juice out of this, because we basically need the juice from this potato. Okay, so after that's done, we'll have to strain it to get the juice out. Okay, so I think I actually have to put in just a little water. And now I'll press out the juice from this potato. Okay, so here you'll be having your potato plus the starch. So when you want to use it, you would have to shake it so that the starch could come out of the bottom. Okay, and then we'll then be putting the potato juice plus the starch into our dark spot treatment, and then we stir it up very well. Alright, so this consistency now is actually very friendly, and it's actually going to be a little foamy for some while, you know, before the foam would go down. Okay guys, so now let's go apply this onto our skin and have all of the dark spots go away. Okay, I'm going to be telling you all of the things you need to know on applying this, so let's go. Okay guys, so this is video 30. Alright guys, so this is my ingredients and I've kept it for a little long while. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to mix it again up together, just like this. It's actually a dark spot remedy, and then what I'll do, I'll grab my mirror and so I can see very well, and then I will generously give it generous application. Okay guys, so after a generous application of this, then you have to scrub it, guys. You know, when it comes to dark spots, you need to scrub out and fade off all of those darkness, you know, and then revealing a brighter and a more newer skin, therefore removing dark spots. Okay, literally that's just a great way in which you are going to use to remove dark spot. Scrub it. Okay guys, so when you're scrubbing this, you would have to scrub it gently, okay, so that all of the darkness, dark spot, and all of those will be out, and you are going to actually be seeing a great improvement on your skin. Okay, now the very first 3 days you do this, you're going to see that this is literally going to help to fade off your dark spots, leaving your skin very, very smooth, and all of the dark spots is going to be gone. Now if you deem it fit, you can actually, you know, just use this on those areas in which you are actually having those dark spots. Now for this particular one, you can actually store it. You can see how it is here, so you can store it for like 2 weeks. You know, it's not gonna go bad. Literally, it's not gonna go bad at all. And then something you have to use every day. Okay, it's an everyday application to get rid of your dark spot. So you have to continue until you see that there is no dark spot on your face anymore. Okay, that's when you would stop applying and scrubbing this off. And it's not only going to remove your dark spots, it's also going to remove whiteheads and blackheads, and your skin is gonna be smoother, fresher, and glow. So I just love to show you guys how you're going to remove this. Now for this particular one, you can actually use the warm water to just wash it off and you're good. But since I'm actually here, I used to use hot towel to remove all of my treatment on my face. Alright, so after which you've done this, then okay, so do this for like 3 to 4 weeks, you know, if you're having severe dark spots, and all will be gone. So that's it. If you do love this video, please smash the like button, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you again. Bye.